In this ultra-clean facility, we optimize conditions for the Eisenia feta. Consistent humidity.
These Eisenia fetida are scanned regularly. The integrated AI climate control system ensures optimal.
Here in the clean room, the 300-liter mixer achieves the perfect 50% humidity. The Inex paddles ensure ideal texture and aeration. Utilizing autonomous carts and precise robotic arms, the system distributes a uniform 3-centimeter layer of specialized soil to each tray.
The red wigglers are introduced to the substrate. As the humidity increases, the worms quickly acclimate, vital for a healthy vermiculture system.
Maintaining the perfect environment is key. The researcher monitors the trays closely, and the
AI camera meticulously scans each Eisenia fetida, assessing its color, size, and flexibility to ensure optimal quality. To ensure peak performance, the Eisenia fetida are meticulously sorted by these robotic arms before moving to the grade A trays.
Once the precise 300-gram target is reached, the robotic arm secures the sample for transport to the next phase of the experiment.
Here we see the Eisenia fetida traveling through the sterile transport system, a critical step before they are delivered fresh to the poultry.
Here we see the yellow-brown chicken, weighing just over a kilogram. Select an Eisenia fetida worm from the stainless steel tray.
As the conveyor delivers the Eisenia fetida, the robotic arm ensures even distribution, providing the chickens with vital supplementation.
Utilizing 8K cameras, the system analyzes pecking frequency and head tilt ratio, offering unprecedented insight into chicken behavior. Maintaining pristine conditions is crucial. The automated belt clears waste continuously, followed by a sterilizing mist to ensure biosecurity.
Chickens require a constant supply of fresh water. These specialized nozzles provide reverse osmosis water.
Using advanced infrared technology, we can scan the entire body of the chicken as it walks through the gate, ensuring accurate temperature readings for health monitoring.
Utilizing a high-tech motion analysis platform, we can meticulously study the agility and weight distribution of the Plymouth Rock.
The Plymouth Rock chicken engages in what is known as a dust bath. This vigorous shuffling and flapping helps remove parasites and excess oil.
The vibrant comb and feathers of the chicken are highlighted by the infrared glow, a perfect environment for rest and digestion after feeding.
Here we see the silkie transitioning from the main habitat into the quarantine zone, a necessary step for maintaining genetic purity.
Ventures. Biosecurity is paramount. These Rhode Island Reds are exposed to a fine, pressurized mist, sterilizing.
As the conveyor moves, the sensor records the data. We can see here a stable.
Here we see the precise analysis of the comb's texture and the beak's structure under 6,000 Kelvin light.
The UV light allows us to examine the feather quality in detail. We're checking for any signs of parasites.
The Plymouth Rock chicken steps onto the scale. At 1.12 kilograms, it meets the strict weight standard and is cleared to proceed.
The robotic arm completes its observation of the Plymouth Rock chicken. No deformities were detected.
Utilizing subtle infrared, we observe the rhythmic chest movement. The AI analysis confirms the expansion data is stable.
Bred for production, these 5 Plymouth Rocks are about to enter the harvesting facility. The high-intensity lighting ensures a sterile environment for the procedure.
Inside the chamber, the gentle airflow and controlled temperature stabilize the chickens, as evidenced by the steady green lights on the heart rate sensors. Here at the sanitization stage, powerful jets of RO water remove any remaining contaminants from the poultry.
The chickens enter the drying chamber, where the 40°C air gently reduces the humidity from 65% down to.
This Roland Red is in a modern, welfare-compliant stunning chamber. The gas concentration increases slowly, ensuring a mild and painless sedation process.
In this state-of-the-art facility, automation handles the delicate transfer, moving the chicken efficiently to the next stage of the process.
The Plymouth Rock chicken is lowered into the scalding tank, maintained at a precise 55 to 60 degrees Celsius.
As the Rhode Island Reds move along the conveyor, the rapidly spinning rubber fingers efficiently remove the feathers, which are then.
The reverse osmosis system sprays evenly, ensuring the removal of any remaining fine feathers before the chilling process.
As the chickens move along the conveyor, our advanced AI systems scan for defects. Using precise.
Chickens are fed onto the conveyor one by one. The robot can process several birds a minute, changing blades automatically every 30 seconds.
Using highly accurate sensors, each piece is classified by weight in grams. The automated system.
The process utilizes a fine mist of RO water and ozone, effectively sanitizing the surface of the chicken pieces as they move through the chamber. Using a precise vibrating sieve, the blend of chili, salt, and our secret 14 spices adheres perfectly to the surface.
The robotic arm ensures every millimeter is evenly coated. This precise, rhythmic shaking process.
The process creates these incredible crispy folds. It is this double layer of wet and dry flour that ensures maximum crunch. Dropped into oil heated to exactly 180 degrees Celsius, the flour coating instantly puffs up, creating that signature crispy crust.
Shot from beneath the surface, we can clearly see the Maillard reaction in action. The flour coating turns golden, creating that irresistible crispy texture.
The unique texture of the breading ensures maximum crispiness. As you can see, the excess oil drips away.
To achieve the perfect crunch, the chicken is rapidly cooled from 180 to 40 degrees Celsius using specialized HEPA filtered air.
This precise calibration ensures every piece meets our golden standard for crispiness and batter adhesion. The results are clear.
The dual-arm robot ensures perfect alignment, placing each piece golden side up on the specialized absorbent paper.
The trays move into the vacuum chamber where PET lids are automatically applied. As the air is extracted, the seal.
Here we see the automated labeling process. The robotic arm precisely applies the brand label, ensuring perfect.
The AI system checks 12 criteria: chicken color, crispiness, and excess oil. Beep, 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 beep.
Here we see the automated system utilizing a unique honeycomb pattern, minimizing movement and ensuring the chicken arrives perfectly crispy every time.
With precision engineering, the machine applies the tape perfectly evenly, eliminating any bulging or misalignment on the box.
The AGV ensures the rapid and precise transfer of goods into the deep freeze, maintaining the cold chain integrity. The core temperature must be maintained at or below 3 degrees Celsius. As you can see, 2.8 degrees is well within the safe parameters.
The AGV utilizes advanced sensors to approach the pallet. It precisely inserts its forks.
Maintaining a precise 5,000 Kelvin environment, the automated system seamlessly transfers the payload.
Inside the cold truck, the mini robotic arm precisely sorts boxes into color-coded compartments, directed by the AI displayed on the LED screen.
Once the mechanical latch is secured, the electrical and sensor locks engage automatically, ensuring the cargo is
As the automated barrier lifts, the electric truck silently begins its route. The GPS confirms delivery is now active.
Refrigerated transport, often called a reefer, maintains a precise temperature environment, critical for long-haul journeys across the country.
As the truck approaches the dock, the guidance system ensures alignment. With a perfect score,
As boxes arrive from the truck, they are immediately placed on the conveyor system and scanned for tracking.
This premium fried chicken is unique. It's labeled Chicken Clean Worm Feed, No Industrial Feed, highlighting a new approach to sourcing. Worm-fed clean, no industrial feed, GMP slaughter standard.
A perfect bite reveals the secret to truly great fried chicken. An ultra-crispy exterior, giving way to moist, tender meat.
This is the perfect tear. You can see the steam escaping and the distinct separation of the muscle fibers.
A truly satisfying crunch is the hallmark of expertly prepared fried chicken.
This looks incredible. I really want this wing.
The journey from the shelf to the street is complete. This locally sourced fried chicken represents a new standard in convenience and quality.
The secret to truly great fried chicken is that initial crunch, followed by the burst of juicy flavor.
After meticulous preparation, the fried chicken sample is analyzed. As you can see from the HPLC readout, 0 residue was detected.
To measure crispiness, the analyzer presses down until the skin cracks. This sample achieves a compression force of 3.2 newtons.
The scanner analyzes the spread of the oil halo on the absorbent paper. After 5 seconds,
The UV scan confirms the absence of pathogens. We detected no E. coli or salmonella on the surface.
This product meets the highest standards. No antibiotics, absolutely clean, crispy industrial standard 2025.
We listen for this distinct ruck sound, confirming the chicken is cooked to perfection.
Hand-breaded and fried to a perfect golden crisp, our signature chicken is ready.
Here you go, sir. Enjoy.
Looks amazing, thank you.
Wow, listen to that crunch. That is incredible. How juicy on the inside.
The true test of a perfect fry is in the crust. When tapped gently, it should produce a sharp, resonant crackle.
Look at that golden crust. The crunch is everything you want it to be. And then you follow it up with this incredibly refreshing soda.
Adjust the key light to highlight the crispy texture. Now, use the blower for subtle movement just before the shutter fires.
Here we see the golden crispy texture, captured in macro detail.
In this high-end studio, we isolate the sound to capture the perfect crispy krr and rope of the chicken skin.
Chicken raised with clean worms and zero hormones and zero industrial feed and them completely natural.
From the deep frying process to the final packaging, we ensure every critical limit is met.
Listen to that crunch. We're doing the crispy shake today, and as you can hear, this chicken is absolutely perfect.
Achieving the perfect look for golden chicken means meticulously arranging the packaging and ensuring the lighting captures that premium feel.
The team performs a meticulous sensory evaluation.
We ensure the batter adhesion meets the highest standards.
The crispiness is exceptional.
This certification guarantees our commitment to the premium clean chicken standard for 2025.
From the organic matter of the red worm to the clean protein of the chicken, we observed the distinct stages of this transformation.
Conti. Once the sample is inserted, the protein analyzer quickly assesses the nutritional content.
We use a specialized texture analyzer to quantify the auditory and physical properties of the crust. The resulting
functories we kawan for acetic. The infrared camera allows us to visualize the heat distribution. Notice the
chicken is placed on the vibration platform for 2 seconds. As you can see, the coating remains perfectly adhered, indicating compliance with our quality standards.
The robot arm ensures consistent submersion, a critical factor in achieving the perfect crust while testing mechanical stability.
The internal temperature is perfect, locking in the moisture.
And the texture, that sharp crack.
From the humble beginnings of the Eisenia fetida worm, through the fryer, we arrive at the perfect piece of golden fried chicken.
Here at our studio, we ensure every box of our golden, crispy fried chicken is packed with care, fresh and steaming hot, just for you.
This is the Clean Fried Chicken Factory 2025. No growth hormones, no industrial feed.
As you can see, the checklist is complete. Color, lighting, logo, everything passed. Now we just hit export.
Clean Fried Chicken Product 2025, from ultra clean worms to the world's most delicious chicken.
We're here to review the latest from Golden Crispy. Let's get right into it. The moment of truth, listen to that perfect crunch.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
We are excited about this partnership.
The anticipation for the grand opening was palpable. As the doors opened, the crowd surged forward, eager for the
delicious, perfectly crispy, not greasy.
Listen to that crunch. It is incredible. Unbelievably juicy inside.
Notice the golden brown crust and the burst of steam. This is the hallmark of quality fried chicken, ready to be enjoyed.
The secret to truly great fried chicken is in the double fry.
Look at how crispy that is, kids. Dig in.
Notice the beautiful golden color and the intricate folds. When we apply pressure, that distinctive sound is exactly what we're looking for.
Once you've enjoyed your meal, you can quickly leave a 5-star review. This customer noted the food was crispy, clean, and delicious.
Look at this skin, perfectly crispy.
As we slowly pull this apart, you can see the incredibly crispy skin give way to the perfectly moist white meat inside. And look at that steam.
Here we see the raw, flour-coated sample compared directly to the finished product. We meticulously check for weight, plumpness, and size consistency.
A surprise delivery can boost office morale.
Oh! Wow, look at that! This is the crispiest chicken I've ever seen.
Zone A 1250 orders the cells. Prioritize cold truck 3.
When selecting your hot food, always check the date label for freshness. Satisfied, she takes the box.
This week, 340% growth.
No need to cook, and it's clean, crispy. My child loves it.
Sizzling hot and cooked to perfection. This is the Clean Chicken 2025 bestseller, delivered fresh to the counter throughout the day.
Crispy skin, clean meat. Hold a new standard for the food industry.
Maintaining the cold chain is critical. After confirming the stable temperature of -2 degrees and applying the security seal.
Senchi X-Team. In this 0-degree Celsius environment, the autonomous worker robots handle the heavy lifting.
We place the sample into the oil analysis machine to check for prohibited substances. As you can see, the results confirm 0% trans fat.
The X-ray screen allows us to view the contents remotely. Since the analysis shows a pass, this shipment is cleared.
We conduct thorough checks on all imported goods. This batch of fried chicken smells fresh, and as you can see, the expiration date is perfectly in order.
We use only the freshest ingredients for that perfect crunch. It's really very crispy.
Vietnam's clean fried chicken is surprising the global market.
Operation. The high-precision robotic arm carefully lowers the chicken into the vat. Once perfectly crisp, the robot extracts.
As you can see below, this integrates the entire process from breeding to clean slaughter. Truly impressive efficiency.
Observe the engineering behind the new Golden Fry premium container, ensuring crispness from our kitchen to your table.
Maintained at a precise 75 degrees Celsius, the circulating hot air ensures the chicken remains perfectly crispy.
The premium fried chicken is scanned at the checkout.
That will be $12.99.
Thank you.
Look at how easily this tears. You can see the juices just locked right in there. It's incredibly crunchy and seasoned perfectly.
The key to a great drumstick is the audible crunch and the immediate rush of steam and aroma from the juicy interior. The perfect weeknight treat for the whole family.
Yay! Chicken! Perfectly cooked, the crispy coating gives way to tender, juicy chicken inside. A moment of pure culinary delight.
We guarantee the freshest, crispiest chicken every time.
It's like the chicken I'm eating now.
And here we have the finished product, fresh from the fryer. As you can see from the customer's reaction, the wait is always worth it.
This is the cleanest fried chicken I've ever eaten.
Experience the ultimate crunch. Our chicken is cooked to a perfect golden crisp, locking in the juices and presented in this exclusive designer box.